Meet John and Emily, a couple eager to make this year's camping trip unforgettable. Last year's experience, well, it left much to be desired.
Remember last year? We need to make sure this year's campsite is perfect.
Absolutely, no more surprises like last time. This year, I've got us covered. No more battling for space or missing out on that ocean view. I found something that will change the game for us.
Okay, here's what we need. Close to the sea, quiet with shade, and near the facilities. Oh, and a place for the kids to play.
Got it. Let me show you how easy it is with CamplinQ.
With CamplinQ, finding the perfect camping pitch is just a few clicks away. Unlike other platforms that limit you to choosing a campsite, CamplinQ lets you select the exact pitch that meets your needs. Watch as John navigates through options tailored to their family's needs.
Look at this one. It's got everything we want, and the views are stunning.
Really? That was fast. Are you sure it's as good as it looks?
Absolutely. Check out these 360-degree views. It's perfect for us.
With CamplinQ's innovative platform, John effortlessly books the ideal camping pitch, focusing not just on the campsite, but on securing the precise pitch, ensuring this year's camping trip gets off to a great start.
I can't believe how easy that was. No fuss, no stress, just us enjoying our vacation.
Told you. With CamplinQ, camping has never been better.
CamplinQ. Pitch perfect camping.